today's treat, I'm going to show you this pipe cutting machine. Cuts metal pipes and then it threads them all in one piece. You insert the oil in it, it pumps the oil, it'll cut it, and then it threads it. We're going to see it in a minute working.
I measure from the threaded side, that way I only have to thread one side, you know?
Of course.
But it only had a silencer.
He has as loud as it needs.
Yeah.
If it saves this much work. Ta-da!
Now, I'm going to use it as vice grip too.
That's fascinating. So you set your size of the thread, the width. Here's the grabber. What do they normally call these machines?
It's a thread machine.
Just a thread machine? By Rex. That is portable. Well, thanks for watching.